Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I hope you go ahead and stick around. And today I'm doing a most requested video on my hair. Since I started YouTube, I've been getting so much video requests on this, on how do I keep up with my hair, how do I keep my hair so shiny, how did I grow out my hair, how I maintain my hair. It's just because, hey, I don't know. But today I just want to sit down, chat with y'all, and I hope my lighting is good because I just turned on my vanity lights because I just got done recording my Get Ready With Me video on this makeup look and just a lot of gossip and everything. And I was like, you know what? I need to sit down and just record this. It's not even going to take me 10 minutes. I'm recording this video for y'all today. So if you want to know how I maintain my hair, how I grew it out, and how do I keep it shiny, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And I was a young girl. Right now I'm 22, so I'm like around 16 years old. I accidentally, my friend cut my hair and it's just horrible. It was super short. So since I was 16, I started wearing extensions. So being a 16-year-old girl, being Mexican, is just like you don't even have no one to tell you how to do it, how to apply them. I just had two other, it was beside my friend that cut my hair. I had two other friends that, were like, well, we're extensions. I'm like, what? So your girl sometimes went out with crappy ass extensions with one shade and lighter or maybe darker than my hair. Like, I was 16. I never knew what colors or shades, it's just like sizes for blend them in. Girl, I was not that type of girl. I just glue them on my hair, and trust me, my hair went bad. So I do not recommend gluing on your extensions, and if you do, just make sure you take off that bonding glue, because my hair got super horrible up to the point where my hair was just like balls of glue all over the place, and it was bad. I went to this girl, she did charge me a lot of money, and I got some extensions on, and these were sewed on. So she looked at my hair, she was like, holy F. And so, she took off their hair glue and everything. So the whole point I'm telling you this, it's because I'll be inserting a picture right now on how my hair looked after she took all the hair. I'm not going to insert the picture on how it looked prior, because people are going to be cringing and people are going to be like, what the fuck? But I'll be inserting a picture on how my hair looked after all that glue off and after she trimmed it down for it to be even. And after that, girl, I cannot even make a ponytail out of my hair. Like, my hair was so short. Oh my God. And I wanted to place extensions on again. So after she fixed my hair, I still kept doing extensions, but I did them clip on. And after working, I think I started working, and then after 2 months, I was like, you know what, I need to let my hair grow. And I just stopped putting extensions on. So this is where my hair care routines and how I grew out my hair was. So once my hair was like that, I started using the Men & Tail Olive Oil Complex Herbal Grow Conditioner and Shampoo. So this is what happened in between a year. So I did this. I did the Men & Tail, and let me tell you, this thing will work for you, girl. Will work, because prior for me wearing extensions, my hair would not grow out no matter what. So my mom told me, a Mexican mom always tells you to use this or the Chile, and I don't know what. It's another shampoo and conditioner that has a jalapeno on it, I think. Anywho, I use this thing right here, and I still use it to this day. before I even use this, I do use my normal shampoo just to take everything out of my hair, and I go with this one. So it does tell you to leave it it says to massage directly onto the scalp and hair, rinse, repeat if desired. And I think this one, it tells you to keep it on for a good, okay, yeah, it's a conditioner that tells you to keep it on for 1 or 2 minutes on your shower and then to rinse it off. And you know, that's what I use, and that's what I've been doing. And that's to grow out my hair and to keep my hair healthy, shiny. I know that was loud. To keep my hair healthy and shiny, I only use one thing only, nothing expensive, nothing that's gonna break the bank. Okay, this is all I use. It is just pure coconut oil. I did purchase this big old tub. I think it was not even $5, and it's rare when I use it. I mean, it is super full. I mean, I don't use it that much. This is supposedly pure coconut oil and virgin coconut oil. I know people have been mentioning it. I just purchased that one in Walmart, but the pure, the more natural it is the better. So the reason I use coconut oil is because it moisturizes my hair, it hydrates my hair, has my hair super, you know, healthy and everything. So the way that I use coconut oil is I use it once or twice a month, maximum a month. That is just depends on how often you want to use it. Now, coconut oil, it is 100% really good to grow out your hair and to keep it really shiny and healthy. Now, your hair, it's like your baby. You have to take care of it, maintain it, and treat it like if it was your makeup at least. So the way I use coconut oil is, you know, once or twice a month. And you had to keep this I mostly do it during the weekend. I heat up the coconut oil either on a microwave. I just put it in a container, heat it up, make it that it's like a warm kind of, you know, it has to be really warm. And on my dirty hair, I just grab a lot of coconut oil between my hands and just make sure my whole hair is soaking wet on the coconut oil. I start from the top all the way to the bottom, and I mainly massage my hair, and it feels so good. I mainly massage my hair just like this. And normally the coconut oil, it is already, girl, my hair. The coconut oil, it's already warm. So the warmth of the oil is just like, you know, it's just like, it feels so good massaging it and everything. And you just rub it into your hair, and that's what keeps my hair shiny and hydrated and everything. And besides that, I just leave it on for a good day. I keep the coconut oil on the whole day. And prior going to bed, or if you want to keep it the whole day and night, you can go ahead and keep it like that. Just wear some shower cap or something, because oil is going to get all over your sheets and your pillows and everything. But I always do it during the nighttime. I wash my hair like 3-4 times because it's a lot of oil, and you want to try to get all that oil out of your hair. And you can do it how frequent you want. I only do it once or twice a month. I don't do it that much. And keeping maintaining of your hair, my boss thinks it's nasty. I don't know why. I mean, my friend used to do it. I mean, she still do it. She does the same thing as I do, and her hair, it's really dry. So I only wash my hair twice, every 2 days. So mostly every 2 days, sometimes 3, depends on my hair. So the reason I do not wash my hair that much is because your hair produces oils. And, if you wash your hair every day, you're just washing off those oils. Once you keep washing off those oils, your hair's not getting hydrated and everything. So my hair is like really oily. And the reason I love my oils is because that's what keeps my hair hydrated and, you know, with life and everything, if you're taking all those oils out of your hair is just gonna dry up. So I do only, let's say I wash my hair on Monday, I won't wash my hair until Wednesday. And my boss thinks that's nasty. Some people might think that's nasty. Some girls keep it like that. You know, 2 to 3 day hair just like that just helps your hair stay hydrated and soft and, you know, shiny and everything. And hey, has what's worked for me and everything. And my hair's long. If I put my hair all the way to the back, my hair almost reaches my butt. But I've been doing this for 2 whole years, and this is what has worked for me. Now I do use a lot of what's it called? Hair dyes. I do use a lot of hair dyes. And for that, I use the Garnier Whole Blend Color Care Mask. And this thing, oh my God, it smells so good. Now, it is kind of like yucky and everything because I do keep it in my shower. And it looks like this. Holy smell. This thing smells so good, girl. Like my husband, he noticed it right away. And he's that type of guy that he does not even notice what the hell I wear. Like, he doesn't even notice anything, but he noticed this really quick. I did purchase this at the 99cents only store. This is 10.1 fluid ounces. This is like a hair care treatment for, you know, hair that, you know, to keep your color on your hair more lasting and everything. I mean, I don't see a difference that much, but guys, the smell on this, and I only take a little bit on my hair, makes my hair super soft. Oh my God, it makes it so soft. That's the reason I use it. 1, because it makes my hair so soft, and a little bit goes a long way. 2, the smell. The smell on my hair lasts a good while. It just smells so good. It does not smell like dirty hair. I 100% recommend this. If you find it anywhere, girl, I just use it for the smell and for the way that my hair feels like super soft. And if you like that super soft hair feel, then you're gonna love this. I have not seen it in stores anymore, but if I do, I mean, I've never seen it at Walgreens or Walmart, but if you see it, pick it up. I didn't even know the original price on this, but like I said, if you have a local 99cents only store, 100% pick this up. But that is pretty much it, guys. That is, I mean, I don't, like I told y'all before, I don't do anything crazy. I don't do anything fancy. I don't wear high-end products on my hair. I just, mainly, if you want to start off, get these 3 products right here. That's how I started off. Do your coconut oil hair mask. Trust me, it's a big difference. That is what helps my hair. That is the main product. It's the coconut oil. That's the main product to keep your hair shiny and healthy. And if you really have dry hair, try the coconut oil and see if that helps you out. But besides that, guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. You already know I'll answer any type of questions that y'all have. And that is pretty much it, guys. And yeah, I hope this video was really helpful for y'all. Like I said, this is what works for me, might not work for you, but go ahead and give it a try. Maybe it'll work for you. And yeah, let me know if it did. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye, guys.